Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are checking out the best pet hair remover, the ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover. This handy tool is designed to make cleaning up pet hair quick, easy, and efficient, helping you keep your home, car, and clothes free from fur. Let's get started. The ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover is built to tackle pet hair with ease. Its extra sticky yet reusable adhesive sheets grab dog and cat hair from almost any surface. Whether it's on furniture, clothing, carpets, or even your car seats, the remover lifts hair effectively without leaving residue behind. This powerful adhesive ensures that no stray hair is left behind, saving you time and effort on daily cleaning tasks. One of the most impressive features of the ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover is its eco-friendly and cost-effective design. Unlike traditional sticky rollers that need constant replacement, this tool is reusable. You simply wash it and it's ready to use again, reducing waste and helping you save money over time. It's a small change that makes a big difference for both your wallet and the environment, while keeping your living space clean and fur-free. The remover's versatility is another standout advantage. It works on multiple surfaces, making it perfect for couches, bedding, carpets, clothing, and even vehicle interiors. It handles both short-haired and long-haired pets with equal efficiency. This means you can rely on it for thorough cleaning wherever pet hair tends to collect, without needing multiple tools for different surfaces. Portability is built into its design as well. The compact and lightweight structure makes it easy to carry in a bag or keep in your car for quick touch-ups. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, so you can roll smoothly and remove hair without strain or slipping. This thoughtful design ensures that cleaning is always effortless, even during extended sessions. The ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover combines practicality and sustainability in a single tool. It saves time, reduces waste, and provides a simple way to maintain a tidy, hair-free environment. Whether you're dealing with shedding from multiple pets or just want to keep your space looking neat, this remover makes the process hassle-free and efficient. Its reusable surface, versatile functionality, and easy handling make it a must-have for any pet owner. Cleaning up after your pets has never been this easy or ego-conscious. Check the price link in the description to get your ViviaChart Pet Hair Remover today. Like and subscribe to Triplezon for more clever gadgets and practical solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.